Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix picture-in-picture mode is not working on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So how to fix this issue? You have used picture-in-picture mode on iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So then fix this issue. So you have, first of all, you have enable picture in picture mode on iOS 17 after update. So there are multiple ways to activate PIP mode in a compatible app like Netflix or Apple TV. For instance, you can tap on the picture in picture icon usually located at the top of the app that to trigger picture in picture mode on your iPhone. So beside, you can also double tap on the video with two fingers, swipe upward from the home bar. Then you have touch ID equipped iPhone or a passcode to activate the picture in picture mode in iOS 17. So how to enable picture in picture mode? You have open the setting and click on general, and then you have click on picture in picture mode. Here is turn off, must be on your iPhone. Then is picture in picture mode is working on your iPhone. So then you have fixed this issue, you have turned off and on, then same position you have same working on your iPhone. Then you have open the general, and then picture is turn mode on and off, then fix, then same solution. You have another solution, you have restart your iPhone, then volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 5 to 10 seconds wait, and then your problem will be fixed as mobile is restarted on your iPhone. So then other solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone, then you have open the setting and then click on general, and then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, and then click on reset, and then click on reset all setting, and iPhone given a passcode, and then only reset all setting of iPhone. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, so only reset setting. And then last solution, you have update iOS version on your iPhone, then again open the setting and click on general, and then software update is iOS version is available on your iPhone, then you have up to that iOS latest version on your iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.